Well, as if you guys remember the 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 external breather kit that I did didn't really hold up. Well, it did, but coming back from the trip, the Sturgis trip, it was already pushing like 6,000 miles on it, and I guess this right here is what I had on here, and the threads just came off. The engine was being pushed. Oh, I was pushing. I was doing 100, 110 all the way, hard, pushing it hard, and you know, snapped. This is the way I had it before, only using this. So now I moved up to a bigger diameter, all soldered. So let's see. Well, this is going to hold up a lot better. Bike ran good. She was pulling hard. Did really good. A lot of breathing in, a lot of fresh, clean air. So yeah, let's get her on there. Orale. Good morning, YouTubers. Here's the external breather kit, the FrankinFilter. Check it out, eh? What do you think? Thicker diameter. Put a little slant on there. Kind of break it up a little bit, but yeah, there it is. The other diameter just broke. I was pushing the engine hard, and I got just the vibrations and stuff. It just it came off to right here, just snapped right off. So yeah, there it is. So watcha. It does the job. I think it looks okay for now. All right, see you guys on the road.